everyone, this is Merlin Sam and you're watching MS Vlog. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make cheesecake ice cream. I'm going to separate the process in 3 stages, that is the base, filling and topping. Firstly, crush some biscuits. Here I have used both biscuit and Bran Flakes. Melt about 1/3 cup of butter and add the biscuits and flakes into it and combine well. Then using a small pan, I do not have a small size cake pan, so instead I am using a sifter and have covered using aluminium foil underneath and placed a baking sheet on it. Add the base and ensure it is leveled. Refrigerate it for an hour to set. Meanwhile, add 1 1/4 cup of whipping cream and mix well using a mixer. Once a little foamy, add half cup of cream cheese, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and juice of 1 lime. Again mix it well. Once it is done, pour in the mix to your pan and let it set in the freezer for about 2 hours. Once set, add in some syrup on top and serve with some berries. Topping is totally a personal preference, so add in what you would love to have. Here it is my version of cheesecake ice cream. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Until next time, stay safe, keep smiling, peace out.